Right, finally we get somewhere. I don't know. So anyway, here we have the Rolls Royce Sedanca and the other car all back together now. So, this is this one. So, yeah. You know, it's all back together. Actually, it took all today to put this back together. It was terrible. I hated it. It was the most terrible thing I've ever had to do. But anyway, yeah. It's all back together now, you see. There it is. All back together. And, yeah, the motor does still run. I don't know if I see which way I have to, I don't know why the back end of these motors keeps moving about, but they do. See? So that's alright. Isn't it? That's okay, I think. That one. There we go, it's all back. Now, and then we got this one. Oh God, here he comes. Here he comes.
Here we are.
Here comes him again.
How are you doing?
I'm doing this. I'm doing this.
Lovely.
You can have both of these.
The old cost, Betsy.
You can have them, both of them.
Thank you, darling.
Because I don't want them, they're in the way. That'll give someone to think about, isn't it? So yeah, this is the blue one. No one knows what kind of car it is though, do they? Because I don't know what kind of car it is. What's Roz, what do you call this car?
Betsy.
He calls it Bitsy. I don't know why.
Al Robbins and Betsy. That's a novel. Paperback Al Robbins. The Betsy. Motor game.
Nothing to do with this car though, is it? So anyway, it's all back. Put the mudguard on, you see. That was alright, wasn't it? Alright. Yeah, this works as well. It does. God, I don't know. What's the matter with this motor? Oh, I know what's the matter. Oh, God. Yes, there's something wrong with this motor. I don't know what. I don't know. It's not right, is it? Anyway. Oh, God. There we go. I don't know why it does that. It goes backwards, doesn't it? What does it go backwards for? I don't know. Doesn't do anything now. Oh, I don't know. It's stupid. Anyway, there it is. And so the next ones I do, I'm going to do one of the racing cars next time. And there you go. So there you go. So there's that. Okay then. Okay. Yep. Oh, I don't know. Everything keeps falling over all around the place. There you go. There you go. Everything's there. Right.